Alright, here we are, boys with toys. Josh and Dylan here. Josh got a
Lego Star Wars Bionicle.
Oh, they're actually Bionicles?
Yep.
Let me see.
Same pieces.
What is it? Does it say Bionicle on it?
No. You can call it an action figure.
Okay. Star Wars Lego.
Luke Skywalker.
What's that say? Buildable figures. Disney. Want to turn it to the back?
And there's Empire Strikes Back in the background.
It's got glare on it. Slipped up slightly. There we go. Oh, no, that's Return of the Jedi right there.
That's what I said, but then...
Oh, it's at the Death Star. No, it's Return of the Jedi. Death Star. Second Death Star. Okay.
Yeah.
And turn up, lift up. There we go. A little more. Yeah.
It's like all the different ones down here.
Oh, those are the different collectibles.
Yeah.
Who's that, Dylan? In the center. Grievous. Well, oh, General. Boba Fett, Vader. Sweet. Do they have glowing lightsabers?
I don't think so.
Alright, let's do it. Let's unbox it.
Glow in the dark lightsabers. His head is big. The head is big.
Yeah, the actual size is right down there.
Ooh.
It's like a pen.
So maybe it does glow,
Look at
huh?
the head.
Oh, let me see it.
Look how big the head is.
Yeah.
See, the actual size is right there.
Actual size.
Look, it's bendable.
It's kind of... Ooh, I didn't know lightsabers were bendable.
What if it's a glow stick?
Bendable light.
What if it's a glow stick?
So this is his little naked torso right here.
Body!
That's Luke Skywalker. That's what you start with. That's kind of disconcerting, the floating head there in the package.
Are we gonna build it?
You gonna build it right now?
I don't want the pieces to go everywhere. No, let me see it.
Here's a classic open up with pieces going everywhere. Let's see it. Not quite.
Okay. Hey.
Oh, I found a lightsaber piece.
Yeah, that's one of it.
Dang, where's my tripod where I can just put this on and you guys can go for it. So does he have cuffs on him?
No. You can.
Whoa. Cuffed.
And then the other gun.
Oh, that's why he's got the black hand.
And there's also another lightsaber.
Whoa. Was it Grievous now? Alright. So, Josh is finished with Luke. Return of the Jedi Luke. Busted out.
Yep. From Series 1 of Star Wars Lego Bionicles. Doesn't say Series 1, but it is because the new Star Wars
Series 2.
7 is coming out in 2016.
That series. So these, did these just come out this year though?
Yep. Just like a month ago.
Really?
Yep.
Didn't know they were that.
They're by Disney, so.
They're coming out and getting ready for the movie,
Yep.
which comes out next week. Boom.
just gonna shoot you.
And then we'll be getting a whole bunch of other,
There's no piece that he can shoot. Oh wait, yes there is. Just made his gun extra long.
nothing like a good old blaster at your side.
The whole thing fell. Yep. I like putting it on his side though. Okay, maybe it only can go with it. Yep, it only.
Alright. Pretty easy build.
Yeah. I thought his head would be 2 parts. Like his hair would be 1 part. But it's 1.
Should we just do a stop animation?
We could do him dancing. Do a stop animation of him dancing. Like.
Nice.
He can even stand on his hands. Oh no. Maybe he can't. He's not like the real one that can stand on his hands.
The real one you can? You mean the non-Lego one?
Yeah, I mean like the one in the movie.
Alright. Cool beans. Sign off. Josh should sign off.